Hey guys, what's going on? It's Russell. Thought I'd do a quick video on trade ideas. So you guys that have been following the channel for a while will know that I started looking at trade ideas, the company that does all the scanning and indicators, and they also have a bot called Holly, which I haven't quite got around to testing yet, but I'm planning to do that very soon. So they have a few different services, and I basically started with their cheapest service, which is called Strength Alerts. It's $17 a month, so really affordable, and it's apparently performed really well. So they send out an email every Sunday night, and they send about 5 different stocks with entry and exit prices. And this is a graph of what they claim backtest results are. So this is the SPY down here. So over the course of whatever time frame this is, let's see what it actually is. Trying to find the, here we go. Yeah, so since 2018. So basically they're saying that their strength alerts, if you were to buy every one of their alerts when it triggered on the Monday morning, if it triggers, and then hold it for a week, then you should expect to see a 200% gain in your portfolio over 3 or 4 years. So pretty impressive stuff. The first week that I did this, the market was tanking, and none of their alerts actually triggered. So I got the email last week, and luckily, like, none of them triggered, like you said. So very thankful that none of the alerts triggered last week, and basically nothing happened. So that was good. So I'm just looking over this week's alerts. So I'll look at this one first. PDCE was the first one, entry at 56 with the stop loss here. They don't give any indication of when to take profits though. So the backtest results do say that you take profits every week. So by the Monday you should be out, the following Monday sort of thing. So anyway, so they sent out half a dozen of these on Sunday, and it's now Saturday the next week. So let's have a look and see how they did. So this is PDCE. This is Monday here. This is this entire week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And they said basically that a trigger would happen and an entry should happen at 56.4. 56.4 was around here. So at the end of day, or well, actually on the Tuesday around this level, you should have, if you were going to take this play, I didn't take it. I was busy doing other things. This would have triggered a buy for the strength alerts. So you can see that by Friday, yesterday, we're up to $60, which is a 7% win. So really nice. Also shown here is a GPS indicator that I'm using, and interestingly, it triggered a buy at just a slightly lower price here. And it seems like all the alerts worked for the GPS. You buy at the green dotted line, you follow up the price here. So this is the start, and you follow up here, and it stops out. So these little trailing stops caught up with the thing here. So as a side note, I'll leave a link to this GPS trader. It's like my favorite tool I've ever used. It's basically a millionaire strategy, a multi-millionaire trader who packaged a strategy into this dynamic package for Thinkorswim. So really cool. Anyway, the trade ideas alert for PDCE did trigger on Tuesday, and by Friday it had gone up 7%. So pretty good, pretty good. Unfortunately, none of the other ones triggered. So GIS, have a quick look at GIS. So GIS didn't quite hit the price trigger at 70, or did it? Let's have a look. Not quite. So it didn't quite hit the trigger. Let's see. So WEC, I don't think that hit either. WEC was supposed to be triggered at 99, and it didn't really get close to 99. 97.5 is the highest level here. Yeah, so one out of the, how many? Like, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was 5 picks, and 1 out of the 5, so pretty small amount. Not surprising though, given how bad the market was this week. 1 out of the 5 did trigger, and it did net a 7% gain on the stock. So if you were doing the options, you could have got a nice little win on that one. So far, 2 weeks into the strength alerts, the first week none of the things triggered, and the second week 1 out of 5 triggered, and it would have been a 7% win, unless it gaps up massively on Monday or something, which I doubt. These strength alerts $17. I'm pretty sure that most people would have made $17 many times over on the first trade that triggered in 2 weeks. So very selective, which is great, because the last thing you want is just to be throwing darts at a dartboard. This algorithm for this Trade Ideas Strength Alert seems to work, and for $17 it seems really, really fair. So anyway, that's my update on Trade Ideas Strength Alerts. As time goes on here, I'm going to be working on this article more, so I'll be going through and trying to do some of the other alerts parts of this, so like, and also the scanning. So like, they do some really good scanning. They have this Holly bot that I really want to try out. I haven't tried it yet, but don't worry, I'm going to do it. I know a lot of people are waiting for that, but I'm trying to go through other services and things at the same time. So probably in the next few weeks I'll try out Holly and update you guys. Alright guys, have a good weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.